So positive values of or absolute value of function, right? Modulus function denoted by these two vertical bars. So if I say what is mod of 8, absolutely right, you said it, it is 8. What about mod of minus 8?
8.
It will be 8.
8.
8. Absolutely right. Hence, if I say mod of x is equal to 8, what does it mean?
X is equal to 8.
plus minus 8.
Plus or minus 8.
So x is equal to plus
Plus minus 8.
Yeah, so somebody said only 8. Mod of something is 8, that something must be what? Either plus 8 or minus 8, right? Right? That is called the solution, right? Get the point?
Yes, sir.
Like if I have x squared is equal to 16, x is plus or minus 4, both of it, right?
Yes, sir.
X can be either that or that, right? Both are the solutions.
Yes, sir.
So quickly tell me, what about this? I have x minus, say, 5 is equal to, what do you want? Say 4. What is x?
X is equal to
9.
plus or minus 9.
Wow, who's that?
Oh, sorry, 9. It's 9. Sorry.
Oh, wow, who's that again?
Sir, x is equal to 9 or 1.
For this fastest finger first, the guy who's playing fastest finger first, I would enjoy playing that if you give the right answers, man.
Sir, x is equal to 9 and 1.
So it's 9 or 1.
It has got two values for sure, right? Because what we'll say is, how will you read it? Mod of something is 4. That something can be 4. So mod of 4 is 4. Or that something can be, there's a big or in between. Or that something can be, tell me,
Minus
mod 4. Mod of something is 4. This something can be what?
minus 4. Minus 4.
Minus 4.
Minus 4, right? Whatever it gives. So this one gives you x is equal to 9 for sure. 9 minus 5 is 4. And mod of 4 is 4, obviously. And this one gives you what?
X is equal to 1.
1.
1. 1 minus 5 is minus 4 and mod of that is 4. Both are the right answers, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right. And so be really careful when you're answering. Now we'll go on to transformations, okay? You're not going to do anything else with the function but transformation of graphs. Since you have done so many transformations, it will be very easy for you. But what graph has to be moved here and there? That's the question. So everybody in your notebook draw y is equal to mod x graph. Draw this graph. How do you plot? You actually take some values, x is equal to 0, 1, 2, minus 1, minus 2 and plot it out. So it is slightly curved, right? Slightly curved, huh? Or all straight. What do you think?
They're all straight.
All straight.
They're all straight.
So y is equal to x square graph was having a curvature, right?
Yes, sir.
Shall we draw that kind of curvature here or not?
No, sir.
No,
No,
sir.
Not at all. Why? Because it's a straight line graph. Okay, in parts, but it is straight line. Why it is straight line? Because this guy will either behave as a y is equal to x graph or a y is equal to minus x graph, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
When will it behave like a y is equal to x graph?
So when x is
When
positive.
x is positive.
When x is
Absolutely
positive.
right. When x is positive, x is 0.1, 0.2, 1, 1.1, 3.1. Whenever x is positive, then mod of x is x itself, right? Right?
Yes,
It is
sir.
as soon as y is equal to x graph. And that's a straight line. That's a straight line. That's a 45-degree straight line. When x is 1, y is 1, x is 2, y is 2. So it is absolutely 45 degrees. Get the point? Till x is 0, y is 0. When does it behave like this graph? y is equal to minus x graph?
When x is negative.
When x is negative. When x is say minus 1, the mod will be 1. So I can say that the answer would be minus of minus 1 because x I am putting as minus 1. So minus of minus 1 will become plus 1, right?
Yes, sir.
Right? So sometimes they write this graph as this, and they will say for x say greater than equal to 0 and for this x is less than 0, right? You could have put a less than equal to for this one and greater for that one, but that is just one of it. You should give the credit for 0 for to one of them. So I've been given to this. So got the point?
Yes, sir.
This very
Yes,
thing
sir.
is two things. This very thing is two things. Is that clear? Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Do you know how to make straight line graphs?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, without using the concepts of transformation. Okay, let me complete this graph by the way. So that's the graph. Straight it was coming and till 0. After that it is not defined. And the other definition when it goes to negative is minus x graph, which is like this, straight. So it is a sharp to B over here, sharp to B. Whether it is a sharp or a curved thing is very, very useful later on. Okay, we say it is not differentiable over there and stuff like that later on. We'll be teaching that later on. But you should know it is sharp over there, sharp. Got the point? So y equal to x square was not sharp anywhere. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Without using the concept of shifting and strictly without using that. Okay, don't cross check and all. Using this concept that this thing is as good as two graphs, this one graph is as good as two graphs, draw the two graphs. Okay, before you draw the two graphs, I just want to know whether you know straight line graphs or not. So just draw this graph for me. Y is equal to minus 2x plus 3. How would it look like? I'll give you a hint. It's a straight line for sure. Why it is a straight line?
Because it's a
The degree is 1.
With a degree 1, right? Right?
Yes, sir.
It's a linear polynomial, right? It's a straight line, right? Okay, it has got various reasons why it is straight line. As you go one forward, you'll go minus 2 down for each step and all. Many ways you can explain it's a straight line. But anyways, it's a straight line. Now, to get a straight line, you need to plot 2 points and join the 2 points and you get the answer, right? In the point? Right?
Yes, sir.
yes,
Yes, sir.
Here and there, so you don't have to define many points. 2 lines, 2 points you join and it is. Had it been a quadratic, joining 2 points will not help you. Because after joining, where will the graph go, God knows. So here, best is when you put x is equal to 0, you get the y-intercept. And when you put y is equal to 0, you get the x-intercept. Okay?
Yes,
Okay?
sir.
And don't be afraid of fractions. So get the 2 intercepts. So what is the y-intercept? When x is 0. When x is 0, what's the point?
Y is 3.
Y is 3. Okay, so it is cutting the y at 3. Similarly, when y is 0, how much is x?
1.5.
1.5.
3 by 2.
0.5. 3 by 2.
So it is cutting over here. 3 by 2, right? When y is equal to 0, right? 2 points are enough. This is not coming as a nice integer point, doesn't matter. You should not be afraid of fractions now. And simply join it, right?
yes, sir.
Slightly off. That's your answer, right? Any doubt?
So
Any doubt? Then I say that this graph was valid only for minus infinity till say 1. Minus infinity till 1. So what will you say? From x was valid only from, suppose x was valid only from minus infinity till 1. So x was less than 1 all the time. So till where the graph is valid?
it's valid.
Till all points
Infinity
less than 1.
Yeah, so this is your 1, right? Somewhere here is your 1, right?
Yes, sir.
I'll just draw dotted vertical. So this purple graph will come till here and then I have to rub it away, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So it is this graph, but valid only for x less than 1. So you draw till x less than 1. Doesn't mean that you cannot plot the point over here. You can plot the 3 by 2, join it, but then curtail it later on. Got the point?
Yes, sir.
Using this only, I will ask you to draw something, not transformation. Using this knowledge. What knowledge? How to draw a straight line, how to curtail a graph. Okay. And what is mod? Using this much of knowledge. I'll tell you the step. I gave you a mod graph. I told you it is as good as 2 graphs, right? So first step is to break it into as good as 2 graphs. Get the point? The first graph is valid from where to where, the second graph is valid from where to where. Anybody has doubt in this, you ask me. Because if you are not able to do the first step, you will not be able to do the other steps. Got it? Got it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. I'll give you an easy one only. I'll give you an easy one. Draw this not by transformations. So first, write in the chat privately which 2 graphs from where to where. I want to see this line written. Y is equal to this graph for x here to here, or more than this. And y is equal to this graph for x less than this. In the chat, you have to write that.
Sir, can you repeat, please?
What I have to repeat?
What you just said.
By God, y is equal to mod of x minus 3. First, you have to tell me that this is as good as which 2 graphs? That is, without the mod, which 2 graphs it is as good as which 2 graphs? So y is equal to something if x is from where onwards, and y is equal to something else if x is from where to where. I told you, if you have doubts in what I am speaking about, this breaking of graphs into 2 graphs, you should have asked me then. In the chat privately, you answer. Take permission and tell me this graph y is equal to mod of 3 minus x is as good as this, no need of mod, for which range of x? Take permission and speak. Y is equal to mod 3 minus x is as good as this one, and we don't have to add that fancy mod, for which range of x?
Sir, this is Aditya. May I speak?
Wait.
Sir, this is Shreya. Can I speak?
Yeah, Shreya.
Sir, if x is equal to 3 or more, then we don't need to put the mod.
Absolutely right. So if x is more than 3, this x minus 3 will be a positive value, and the mod of a positive value is the value itself, so no need of mod, right? X is greater than or equal to 3, right? At least we can draw this graph, right? Get the point?
Sir.
Right? Okay, we'll draw the graph later. And if x is less than 3, then what? Then what will the graph behave like?
So this is Mukund. May I speak?
No, let Shreya speak. Yes, Shreya. If it is less than 3, like imagine a value less than 3, 1 minus 3. What will the y behave like? If x is less than 3.
Sir, then it'll be
Who is Ron?
the
Ron is our member or what?
Yes, sir.
He doesn't even have Neve logo on him. Shall I admit him?
Yes, sir. Yeah, sir, he is. He was
So, yes, Shreya,
So,
as it's been less than 3, it will behave like what?
so it'll be minus x plus 3.
Minus x plus 3. Absolutely right. Absolutely right. If x is less than 3, say x is equal to say 1. This calculates as 1 minus 3, which is a minus 2. It becomes minus 2 and the mod makes it as plus 2 by doing a minus of the minus quantity, right? Right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
If it is less than 3, I know that x minus 3 is going to be negatives, right? If this
Yes,
x,
sir.
I know x minus 3 will be a negative value. Hence, mod will do what to it? Mod will do a minus of that thing to it to make it positive, right?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So, this is as good as these two functions. Y is equal to x minus 3. And if I write it in a opened up manner, minus x plus 3, right? For x less than 3. These two functions, right?
Yeah,
Right?
it's fine if you write lesser than, right?
What?
It's fine if you write that equal to for minus x plus 3 part also, right? Like you can write anywhere, right?
Yeah, it will be 0 anyhow, it doesn't matter. But when you declare a function strictly, one function should not have two declarations for the same value of x. So either include a equal to here or a equal to there. Don't include both places, that's a convention, okay? In this it is not going to matter, but other places when it gives two different values, then it is no longer called a function. Okay? Okay, anyways, we are doing graphing, so it doesn't matter what is the convention and what is the function. So, how to draw the orange graph? Easy. Put x as 0 and you will get what? Y is equal to minus 3, right? Cutting over here somewhere. Put y as 0, you will get what? X is equal to 3, cutting here somewhere, right? Right?
Yes, sir.
So the orange graph is only valid for more than 3, right? It is cutting at 3, orange graph is valid only for more than 3. So I'll draw only this portion, right?
Yes, sir.
Is the point?
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
What is this graph?
yes, sir.
Put x as 0, you get y as plus 3.
3.
That's here somewhere. Put y as 0, you get x as what? Put y as 0, you get x as what? 3.
3.
Is cutting here. What's the full graph? The full graph is, but it is valid only for less than or less than equal to 3 or less than 3. So, that's the portion which is it is valid for and the rest portion is deleted, right? That's your graph, right?
So it moves 3 to the right.
Yeah, yeah. So that's the graph, right? But obviously we will not be doing this way. Why will not be doing this way? Because we have learned the transformation. What will say? We will say y is a modification. This graph is a modification of y is equal to mod x, right?
Yes, sir.
And God knows mod meant what, but mod graph was given like this. Once the graph is given, maybe they didn't even give you what is the definition of it and what it means. The graph is given. Mod means what? We don't even know. Then also we can shift it. We'll say instead of x, it's a x minus 3. What does it mean? If instead of x, it's a x minus 3, what does it mean?
Moves 3 to the right.
Graph shifts 3
3
to the
to
right.
the
Extra
right.
value, you put 3 extra values to x and it gives the same result what x used to give. So it is just moving 3 in the positive x direction, right?
Yes,
There's a-
sir.
Yes, sir.
So, you know this, then it was an easy transformation, right? Get the point? But then we should be knowing what mod is also. Why? Once we have moved this, say this was a thing and I'm using transformations and I moved this. Next I will ask you that mark some values. How do you mark these values? Remember, same as in quadratic. How do you mark the values?
For you bought the x-intercept
I'm
and
putting y
y.
as 0
Yeah,
for x.
that means you put x as 0 and get the y. So you put x as 0, you get the y as mod of minus 3, which is 3, and you get the y as 3. Next, put the y as 0. Put y as 0, so x minus 3 is 0.
0.
So x is 3 and you get that. Get the point? Is that
Yes,
clear?
sir.
Yes, sir.
If you are shifting, then you'll have to put x as 0, y as 0 to get the values. So shall we straight away do one difficult shift?
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, check it. Shifting you have done a lot. I'll do something else. I'll do modding. I'll do modding.
Mama.
But let me be sure. You have an exam. So let me be sure. Y is equal to mod x is given to you. Can you tell me what does this graph look like? Okay, check this part first. Tell me what does this graph look like?
So it's mod x graph shifted to the left by 2 units and then shifted down.
Down
by
by
2
2 units.
Yeah. So you will say that first you will try for y is equal to x plus 2 mod graph, right?
Yes,
How
sir.
will this graph look like?
The orange graph? It will be 2 units
To the
shifted to the left.
So it's
Left,
mod
sorry.
graph 2 units to the left.
2 units to left side, right? It's a x plus 2 instead of a x, right? Right?
Yes, sir.
Then you will say that this graph, whatever this graph is, this graph, the green graph is 2 down. This 2 is not on x. This 2 is on what?
Y.
I.
And y.
So it goes 2 down. So to know 2 down, you should know where it was cutting exactly so that you make it go exactly to the right spot. Where was it cutting in the orange graph? You'll put x as 0, you'll get your y as 2. So when you make it go 2 down, this 2 will reach at 0,
Zero.
right?
Yes, sir.
So you have to be that precise. Without precision, no marks. Got the point?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So shifting and all, I think you'll be able to do. What about y is equal to this thing?
what will happen to the mod x graph?
It becomes
graph-
steeper. The lines become steeper.
The graph dilates or it crunches.
Yeah, the graph is crunched up twice.
Right? Right?
Yes.
sir.
Yes, sir.
So if I say what is, now take permission and ask. I'll speak. 2x plus 3. What will this be? How will you do?
Sir, this is Aditya. May I speak?
So, can I speak?
Arya,
So
may I
this
speak?
is Yash. May I
So,
speak?
Prithvi,
This
can I
is-
speak?
Yeah, Aditya, tell me.
So it's graph of mod x which is crunched by 2 and then moved to the left by 3 by 2 units.
Absolutely right. Move to the left by 3 by 2, not 3. Remember?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So whoever was going to say that it is moved to the left by 3, I know many were going to say that. It's not that. It is 2x plus 3 by 2. Remember that we had a whole class on this. Not a whole class, but quite some time on this. That the 3, which function has been modified. So I'm not going to repeat all that. You have to watch that video to understand. But this was the thing. Remember?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So it was whatever is the 2x. First I say 2x graph I should know. So 2x graph was a steeper graph. 2x graph was a steeper graph. Now in the 2x graph, I will say in the 2x graph, how much has the x been modified? How much has the x instead of x? What is it in the 2x graph? Is it instead of x a x plus 3? Not at all. If I put a x plus 3 over here, what does the graph become? 2x plus 6, right?
Yes, sir.
Instead of x, it is a x plus 3 by 2, right?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
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 That means it has to shift left by 3 by 2. And then you'll have to mark where it cuts and all. So mark that. To mark that, you'll put x as 0. Anywhere you put x as 0. Not here, here, both are same. You put x as 0 anywhere and you get your answer as 3.
Three.
Right? Got the point?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
But at times, making this is not as fruitful as it was in the quadratic equation. In quadratic equation, it was fruitful because in quadratic equation, a 2x square plus something was given. You take 2 common and see the shift where it is happening on the x. That was useful. Because if you don't take 2 common, it will become a root 2x the whole square and it will become even more difficult. In linear equation, the other way of treating it is like this. So this is another way of treating the graph. Okay, one is by transformation. Got the point? And you are getting this answer is through transformation. I said we have done enough transformation, so I'll do something else. So the other treatment is y is equal to 2x plus 3. Let me first draw this graph and then later on we'll care about the mod. Okay? Are you understanding?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So
By the way, this will be as good as this. Till what spot? Till what spot this will be as good as that?
Till x becomes negative.
Yes.
till x becomes less than 3
Till
minus
x
3.
becomes negative. That's absolutely wrong, man. Who was
Less
that?
than 3.
So for x minus 3 by
X.
2, it will work. Till x minus 3.
2x plus 3 is positive, right? Till 2x plus 3 is positive, meaning to say till 2x plus 3 reaches 0, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So till x how much?
Minus
Minus 3 by
1.5.
2.
Minus 3 by 2, right?
Yes, sir.
X
X.
minus 3 by 2, this mod graph is as good as this. You put a minus 1 over here, 2 into minus 1 is minus 2, plus 3 is plus 1, you don't have to mod it, plus 1 is plus 1, right? Got the point?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, okay. So, I will say that I don't care, I have not even calculated that this should be valid till x greater than 3 by 2, minus 3 by 2, sorry. And when it becomes x less than minus 3 by 2, it's another graph. What is that another graph, by the way?
So it's,
It will be negative of this thing, right?
yes, sir.
Yes.
Sir.
Minus 2x minus 3, right? Minus 2x minus 3. It will be another graph, but I'm not caring about it. By the way, that other graph, which is minus of this graph, how does it look like? By
It'll be a
That's the reflection of
Reflection in the y-axis.
concepts of transformation, what will it be? It will be just reflection in the x-axis, right?
yes, sir.
If x is something, minus of that is reflection, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then let me draw this. It has got a steepness of 2, but I have not told you slope of a straight line graph, so I will not tell much in that. It has got a steepness of 2, but I will just draw by saying that when x is 0, y is equal to 3, and when y is 0, x is equal to
Minus
Minus
3.
3 by 2.
Minus 3 by
minus 3 by 2, and that's my wide graph. Any doubt?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Then I'll say, okay, 2x plus 3 is that graph, but boss, they are asking this graph. That's that graph, but they are asking this graph. This means that this portion should never be negative. Y should never be negative, right?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Right? Meaning to say what? Whenever y is becoming negative, say it become a minus 2, the value
Add
will
negative to that.
become plus 2, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
If it become minus 3, the value will become plus 3, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Minus 0.1 will become a plus 1, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Bound portion will get reflected and go up or not.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So this is the actual graph or not?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
This you will get by transformation. This you will get by the logic that negative will get reflected to the positive. Got the point?
Yes, sir.
Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Now suppose I make the things a little more worse and I say, I don't have a new color now. Where are my colors gone, man? Okay. There's a -3 to it. What do I do now?
You shift the graph 3 units down.
I shifted 3 down, right?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
And I'll say -4. -3 is like exact that spot will come over here. We have some extra shift. -4. Yeah. So what? Where is it cutting? Where are the stuff cutting?
-1. So -1.
-1.
Right?
Swan.
Comes at -1, right?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Yes, sir.
The whole thing gets dropped right badly, right? Where is it cutting the x-axis? Tell me fast. Everybody calculate and put it in the chat. Where it is cutting this? While I'm making the graph for you. What is that spot? What is that spot?
Sir, is it 1/2?
Tejas, I put my answer in the chat.
I can see the answer. Okay, people have given the right answer. So, how to get the x-intercept? As easy as whichever graph
y is 0.
I'm talking, put your y equal
Y
to
is 0.
Yes, sir.
Put your y equal to 0. What do you get? What do you get? You get a tough calculation, which is 2x plus 3 minus 4 equal to 0. What does it mean? Mod of
Mod of 2x plus 3 is equal to 4.
is equal to 4, right?
Yes, sir.
What does this mean? That the inside guy is either 4 or -4, right?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Right? We have already done in the first frame, in the first few minutes. So 2x plus 3 is either 4 or 2x plus 3 is -4. When this guy is 4 or this guy is -4, both the time this mod will be 4 and 4 minus 4 will be 0, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so what do you get your x as? You get your x as 1/2, which is a 0.5, which is here. How much ahead of this? 2 ahead of this, right? That was a -1.5, 2 ahead, right? It looks like it's all symmetric. If it is 2 ahead, this must be 2 behind. It is 1.5 and 2 behind will be how much? 3.5, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Minus 3.5. Let us see what does this give us. -4, 3 goes on that side, -7 by 2, x is equal to -7 by 2, which is what?
-3.5. -3.5.
Logic, your math, everything should be satisfying at the same time. Then only you are doing it in the right way and you are proceeding in the right way. Got the point?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
It should not be like mechanical, like, oh, I got this. It is not tallying. You got a -10 by 2, -5 over here, and this is a half, and the graph is like all weird. Should not happen, right? Okay.
So I have a doubt.
No, let me complete first.
Yes, sir.
Ask till now. Ask.
So, is there any way you can calculate the apex or the lowermost point of this graph?
Yeah. By symmetry, you can say that symmetric is -3 by 2, right?
Yes, sir.
So if you put x as 3 -3 by 2, that will be the lowest point, right? Okay, everybody calculate that. If you put -3 by 2, what do you get?
-4.
-4.
4, right? That is the point it dropped to. No, this was 0 and you dropped it by 4, right?
Yes, sir.
Right? That's the lowest point, right? Okay. If some people are not having logic and they want to do too much of maths, which you'll find in some of the books, what they will do is they'll break the function in 2 parts. We knew how to break it, right? For x more than 3 by 2 and x less than 3 by 2, right? right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
One part will give you this line, and the other part will give you that line, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
We
Yes,
logically say that this line is valid from behind this, and that line is valid from ahead of this. But where the two line cut will be the answer or not, right?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
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 First they will split in 2 points, then they will find the solution for the two, which is called solving a linear equation, simultaneous equation. Get the point?
Yes, sir.
So much x plus so much and y is equal to so much x minus so much, and they'll solve it and get the answer, and that will come as your -4 only. But that is like you are wanting to do a math unnecessarily. Like somebody says, how much is 3 plus 2? Instead of saying the answer is 5, you'll say, let me get some pebbles, 3 pebbles, let me get 2 more pebbles. So I'm not near the seashore, let me get this. And then slowly you do it. That's all rubbish, right? Got the point?
Yes, sir.
The best way you can get is the fastest, is the best way. Okay, that is going to help you. Okay, later on to be fast and accurate. You can cross verify in n number of ways, but try to get your head working in the fastest possible way. Not only maths but also logic. Now, if I say this, can y be negative?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, y is negative. Y is a -1 somewhere, a -2 somewhere, a -3 somewhere, a -4 somewhere. Sometimes people say, sir, you gave a mod graph. How can it be below the y-axis? How can it be negative? Y is negative. This part is not negative. This is negative, right?
Yes, sir.
This part is small, like a half or a 0 or a 1 or a 2. Then this part is making it negative. When this part becomes more than 4, then this part cannot make it negative. Get the point?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
This part becomes more than 4, the mod of that becomes more than 4 for values more than half and values less than -3/2. Right?
Yes, sir.
Sir, Tejas Korean dropped off.
What?
Sir, Tejas Korean dropped off.
He doesn't like the class.
His internet.
Yeah, okay.
So in the participants, there are two Tejases of the same person, Tejas Korean Sajid.
Oh.
So
No, I can see only one.
yeah, now there's one.
Yes, sir.
Now there's one.
Okay. You have a
Might have been a
duplicate.
lag.
You have a twin. Celebrate. Okay, now, what was I saying? Yeah, that's it, man. That's it. Nothing in mod, okay? So I will give you funny mods. If I give you any function, okay, one more thing. Suppose I have given you this, and mod of this, and -2. How will it look like? Tell me.
Sir, it will look kind of like a W shifted down by 2 units.
If I mod it again, what is going to happen?
So what do we
So the negatives are going to become positive.
This negative part becomes positive and the positive remains in positive, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
One more color. Everybody, people are just answering, so I'm not waiting for many people. So those who are not understanding, please watch the video very carefully and ask doubts before your class, before your test. Please do that. Please do that. So this will become this light green kind of graph. This one. Which one? Till mod of that. And then
Yes,
drop
sir.
of 2. Drop of 2 will be like this has gone down. Okay? So I'm going to make a mess over here. Shall I? Shall I? Okay, let me.
So why will it take a W shape?
Negatives become positive.
See, who was that who asked?
So, this is Yash.
If fx is a graph like this, whatever. If I say mod of fx, what will it be?
So all the negative become
So
positive.
all the negatives become
Negatives will
positive.
become positive.
What is negative will become positive. This negative part will go. Why? If it was a -1 somewhere, it will become a +1. If it was a -2, it will become +2. That's it in doing the mod.
Okay, yeah, got it.
So if it is minus whatever, it becomes that much plus. If it is minus so much, it becomes so much plus. It becomes if -4 becomes a +4. Like
Okay.
at 3/2 without the mod, at I'll write over here, at -3/2, how much was this value? At -3/2, this guy was 0, and the total value was -4. But I put a mod, then at -3/2, how much it is? At
Plus
-4,
4.
Plus
it
4.
becomes +4,
Plus
right?
4.
This point is going right over there on top, right?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Modding, the negative points are going to top. But then after modding, I said, like, I'm totally jobless in this world and I want to torture people. -2 again. What will happen?
So it'll drop down by
It
The
two.
whole
dropped down
graph
by
drops
2.
by 2.
All of this light green graph is going to drop down by 2, right? Right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And then if I want to actually kill you, I'll ask you what are the x-intercepts? Then what are the x-intercepts? Lala, Lala, Lily, Lulu, right? 4 of them, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So
This looks damn close to 0. Get the 4 intercepts of this one. I'll be very happy to see your answers. Get the 4 intercepts of this one. Of this one, they're the same thing. This one. The 4 intercepts. Okay, I was not recording, so I'll just repeat that if I have to get the x-intercept, I have to put this guy, this whole thing, which is y equal to 0. If I put the whole thing equal to 0, what do I get? I get this much is equal to 0. That means this mod thing is equal to 2. This mod thing, the light green mod thing, is equal to 2, means the inside of the mod must be either +2 or -2. Because inside of the mod is +2, then the mod of that is +2, -2 will make it 0. Inside is, even the inside is, this is the inside stuff, is -2, the mod of it will become +2, and the -2 on that will make it 0. So the inside stuff can be either a +2 or a -2. If it is +2, it means 2x plus 3 mod must be how much? 4 goes on that side, must be 6, right? And if it is a -2, it means 2x plus 3 must be how much? Mod of that must be how much?
2.
It must be equal to 4 goes on the other side, 2, right? Now mod of this is 6, means this side, this thing inside can be a +6 or a -6. So again that thing, that it will again give us 2 results. Either 2x plus 3 is equal to a 6 or 2x plus 3 is equal to a -6. Right?
Yes, sir.
Both the
yes,
ways,
sir.
the mod of it will be 6. So what will you get from this? You will get 2x plus 3 is equal to 6, means 2x is equal to 3, means x is equal to
3/2.
3/2.
is one result. If you don't believe, you put 3/2 somewhere and you'll get y is equal to 0. You put 3/2 over here, 2 into 3/2. How much is that? 3. 3
3.
plus 6 how much? 6. 6 minus 4 is how much?
2.
2 minus 2 is how much? 0. That was a sequence. It will give you 6. What will this give? What will this give?
So -1.
Minus 9.
Minus
-9/2.
-4.5.
minus 9 by 2, right? Right?
Yes, sir.
Minus
Yes, sir.
9 by 2 is again going to make this 0. If you don't believe, again you put it over here. Minus 9 by 2. 2 gets cancelled. Minus 9 plus 3. Minus 9 plus 3 is a -6. But mod of that is a +6. +6 minus 4 is a 2. Mod of that is 2. And 2 minus 2 is 0. So similarly over here you'll get 2 results. What are the 2 results? 2x plus 3 is either a plain simple 2, or 2x plus 3 is a -2, right? If 2x
Yes,
plus
sir.
3 is 2, then your x is how much? Minus
-1/2.
1 by 2. Again, you can plug in over here and you'll see that you'll get a 0. Or x is equal to how much? minus 5 by 2, right?
Yes, sir.
So minus 5 by 2, which is the least one. So this one seems to be minus 5 by 2, right?
So it's minus 9 by
It's
2.
minus 9 by 2.
That's a minus 9 by 2. Minus 9 by 2. Your minus 7 by 2 is here. And what is this?
Minus 5 by 2.
Minus
Minus
5 by
5 by
2,
2.
right? Is it like equally on both sides of minus 3.5? Yes, it is, right?
Yes, sir.
Minus 3.5 minus 1, minus 3.5 plus 1. You can check the symmetry also, right? Right? Get the point?
So
Similarly,
Yes,
this
sir.
is what? These two are what? One is a minus half. And the other one is 3 by 2, right?
Yes, sir.
So now since I've taught this, I'll ask you a question on this also. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, do 2 questions to end the class. I'll take a pic of it and share it for the ones who need to revise. Make the graph for this and give me the value of all the x-intercepts. And obviously the value of y-intercept. How much is the value of y-intercept, by the way? How much is the value of y-intercept?
-1.
Minus 1. You
Minus
don't have to
1.
do much over there. You put x0 in any step of solving, put x0. So why not in the first step? Put x0 and you'll get y is equal to -1. That's your y-intercept. Give me the x-intercept. How many x-intercepts are you expecting, by the way? What will happen with this graph?
So 2.
What is this graph? This graph alone?
It's
So
a
it's
quadratic
x
graph.
plus, so it's x plus 2 whole square minus 3 graph.
That's x plus 2.
This is a quadratic graph shifted down, right? Without the mod and all, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
What is the mod going to do?
Make it
Make it
positive.
positive.
Make it positive, right? And then again it is going to shift down by 2, right? How many points you expect it will cut?
4.
4, sir.
4 points. Okay, give me the answer. Make the graph. Your solution should be a kind of ratification of your graphs or the other way around. Got the point? Best of luck.
Sir, do we have to draw the graphs?
What?
We draw the graphs.
I mean, I said first give the graph and the fourth. So how are you proposing to give the graph? Like if you don't draw it, what are you going to do?
Yes, sir.
Do I need this kind of question will come? Get the point?
Yes,
Mod
sir.
and that, a mixture of both, mod and that. Got the point?
Yes, sir.
So I hope you completed the square. What was the completing the square over here? What does it give you?
So it's
Tell
x
me.
plus 2 whole
X plus
square.
2 whole square minus 3.
Will you do a -3, -2 as -5? You will write as -5.
No, sir.
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
Obviously not. Obviously not, right? This is as it is, right? How will you do? You will say that I don't care much. I will first, I don't care of the whole thing. I'll just go for, is it recording, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I'll go for this, right? You'll do a -2 later on. Go for this, what you'll say? Mini step. I'll do this. What is the difference between this and this? Whatever comes
The
below
values
the
can be
will
negative.
go up, right? Now to get this, you'll do what? You will say I should know x plus 2 whole square, right? and
Yes, sir.
then you'll do a minus 3. For this, you should know x square, right? So the sequence of doing is something like this. X plus 2 whole square, the orange graph, right? Where is this? This is at -2. Where is this? This is at 4, right? I have not drawn to scale. Okay. It would be steeper. I have not drawn to scale. That's the orange graph. You don't have to mark if you don't want to. But just to know where it is, I would rather mark. What is this purple graph? Goes down by 3.
By
So
3.
this goes to 0 or not? No, it doesn't, right? People?
Sir.
This cuts at 1, right? Right?
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Yeah, who is that? Who is that like blowing in the...
Sorry, sir. I kept the microphone on and near my nose. Sorry.
Yeah, thank you very much. We had a nice Dolby Digital sound of your nose blowing. Okay, anyways. This one. What is this one? A mod of the previous
The
graph, right?
negatives become positive.
So
Negatives become positive.
this negative thing just goes on top. This was -3, so it will go till +3, right? Right? I'll
Yes,
make a
sir.
3 over here. Is this sharp or smooth?
It's sharp.
Sharp.
Damn sharp. Don't make it like this. Get the point? It was going down and then got flipped up, right? Very, very sharp. Okay. So you should know what is sharp and all. You should know what is sharp. Okay. Then what happens? Then what happens? The whole graph shifts down by 2, right?
Yes, sir.
That's your green graph. So this +1 goes to -1, right? This +3 comes down to 1, right? Right? Right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So down by how much? Down by 2. So that's your final graph. And I asked for these intercepts, right?
Yes, sir.
I hope you are getting it symmetrically around -2. And how will you solve for that? How will you solve for that? How will you solve for that? Everybody got the solution, by the way? You'll say y equal to 0. Y equal to 0 means this guy. You can write that also, but this is easier to write. This guy is equal to 0. What is that? X plus 2 whole square -3 mod is equal to 2, right?
Yes,
Right?
sir.
Yes, sir.
What does this mean? This means 2 things. What 2 things? X plus 2 whole square -3 is equal to 2. And what is the other thing?
-2.
It is equal to -2.
-2.
Yeah, I'll put a separator in between. That's a separator. X plus 2 whole square -3 is equal to -2. In both cases, the mod will become +2, and hence that +2 -2 will be equal to 0, right? Right? So this one,
Yes,
what
sir.
it gives you? It gives you x plus 2 whole square is equal to 5, and this other one gives you x plus 2 whole square is equal to 1, right?
Yes,
Right?
sir.
Sir.
So what does this give you now? It gives you 2 things. What are the 2 things? X plus 2 is equal to what?
Plus minus
Or
root 5.
minus root 5. And here
X plus 2 is equal to
is
minus
equal to
1 plus minus 1.
plus or minus 1, right?
Yes.
So again, you'll have two solutions from here. X plus 2 is equal to plus 1 gives you what? X is equal to minus 1. X plus 2 is equal to minus 1 gives you what?
X is equal to minus 3.
X equal to minus 3, right? Right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so minus 1, minus 3, and over here, minus 2 plus root 5 and minus 2 minus root 5. Right, these four answers. Can you locate those answers? Can you locate those answers? That's your minus 1, that's your minus 3, right? If this one came as rational, this is also coming as rational, right?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
If
sir.
this one is a rational number plus something is giving me a rational, then that plus something must be a rational and minus that thing must give me a rational. If one comes irrational, the other pair will come irrational, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now only this fact that if one is rational, the other has to be rational, that fact is sometimes used in class 11 and 12 to further go ahead that what can be the roots. Get the point? So knowing your irrational rational is also quite important. Okay, so this one comes minus 2 plus root 5. Does it breach 0 and go beyond? Does it go beyond 0?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Because root 5 is a 2 point something, right?
Yes, sir.
Right? Okay, and this one? Minus 2 minus root 5. That's it, guys. I mean, you can keep on modding, keep on shifting. The concept remains same. Got the point?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Anything you want to ask?
You have to tell us about the cubical graphs thing you told us to do last class.
What?
So you asked for cubic graphs with one root, two roots, and